What up, YouTube? This is Andrew coming at you with another bike check. This is actually the second bike check for the same Eastern Grim Reaper Eternal frame slash bike check. I got a few different parts on there. I'm going to show you them, and also I'm just bored. It's the 14th of April and it's supposed to be somewhat nice and at least no snow, maybe cool and rainy, but no, this is Midwest, Minnesota, 14th of April. I cannot ride because we just got about 3 inches of snow so far in the past couple hours, and they're talking maybe another 6 to 9 plus throughout the night and into tomorrow. So yeah, if you live in the Midwest, you know what I'm talking about. Get this shit all the time, and don't have no indoor parks around where I live, so we just get cabin fever waiting. Put up YouTube videos. Fuck it, you know. Yeah. So, anyways, a few new stickers, a few new parts. My Blue 6 Bolo forks. These are a female only fork. I got the ladies on there. Got the devil side. Flip it around. Got the angel side. Got a nice Odyssey sticker on the inside of the fork. And Fox Racing on the inside of the other side. This is a stock hub and rim set from Odyssey. It's the Vandero 2 with the hazard light rim. I got the Aaron Ross Odyssey Aaron Ross tires in white. The front is a 2.35. The rear is a 2.1. Nice little red dice. Matches the white and red on the frame. Got the Odyssey rifle pegs. These are chromoly, not aluminum. A little bit heavier, but lasts so much longer. Got the Vandero hub guard from Odyssey, actual Odyssey hub guard. Going up, got that nice cutout on that head tube. Only a couple of the Eastern bikes have that, which is awesome. Got a Odyssey integrated headset in white. This is the Odyssey Tomahawk stem. Can't really see it in that part. Let's try this. Blam! There it is. Yeah, so for those of you who know your stems, know your products, you could tell that's an Odyssey. I'm pretty sure. Anyways, these are Odyssey Lumberjack handlebars. These are 8 1/4 high, 28 wide. I got the Griswold grips and black Odyssey par ends. This bike is still very, very new. I built it over the winter, and as you can see, it's still pretty much fucking winter outside, so I haven't got to ride this bike much more than a few minutes here and there. So that's why the tires look a little bit dirty, but the rest of the bike isn't all messed up yet. I got 3 bikes. One bike is my trash, which is my Mirka. It's not trash, but it's the bike I learned my tricks on, and the one that I do end up crashing with it the most. And then when I learn my tricks, I ride my other bikes. This is actually partly my son's bike. He's gonna be turning 7, so it's a little bit big for him yet, and I guess it's just another reason for me to have a second or a third bike, whatever. So yeah, it's still very new, very nice. Even after it's run ragged for a year or two, this bike will still be very nice. I trust Eastern and Odyssey, which both I love. Nice Odyssey sticker. Shout out to Eastern for setting me up with some badass stickers. Yeah. That's just an awesome sticker. This is a 20-inch top tube frame. It's a little bit shorter. Like I said, it's also for my son, and I wanted a bike with a shorter top tube. Kind of try different tricks, different ways, different offsets. The Blue 6 Bolo is only a 15mm offset, which I don't know. I like it when it's short like that. It's a bit more responsive. Yeah, I don't know. Get the feel for different parts. I guess in the end, I'll figure out exactly what I like. That is a stolen seat post, stolen brand seat post in white. This is the Sabrosa Zombieland seat. This is a fat pivotal seat. Sabrosa. I'm going down to the crank. I got my bike is 25/9 gear ratio. This is a Thunderbolt socket drive crank, and it has the Killington socket drive sprocket 25T on there. Shadow Conspiracy V2 chain. In the right direction. I see so many videos with that damn chain backwards. When you buy the fucking chain, it has little instructions in the box, and it shows you which direction to put the damn chain on. I don't see how you guys can get that wrong. It's such an easy, non-complicated thing to do. Read the damn directions if you ain't gonna have a professional do it. Anyways, JCPC pedals in white. Once again, these pedals are the shit. They rip the shit out of my shoes. So, yeah, they keep my feet on the bike, definitely. They have all the little bolts to, you could tighten it up or loosen it, make this spin a little bit faster, a little bit slower, a little bit tighter, whatever. Yeah, so just your preference. This has a Fly Bikes Spanish bottom bracket in white. I don't know if you can see that. Going to the back, I got the Odyssey V3 hub laced to the Odyssey Hazard Light rim. Another stock hub and rim set from Odyssey. A little bit of a custom red dice. There's the other white tire. There's the other peg. And this is a BSD hub guard. The Odyssey hub didn't make a hub guard for this one, so you have to use the BSDs. I guess I'm just gonna zoom in to a couple of the stickers, and that's gonna be everything for this bike. You can kind of see in the back here, got a Sabrosa sticker back there. Obviously the Eastern, the Odyssey. Flip it around. Oh shit, and I didn't show you the, got Odyssey on the inside seat stay, BSD on the outside seat stay. You can kind of see part of that shadow on the inside of the chain stay looking towards the other side. This is the only original sticker I left on this bike, and that's where it says it. Grim Reaper. And you gotta flip it around. Eternal Edition. And also it's got a cutout on the bottom bracket, which is awesome. I put some white tape inside there so you don't get all that dirt and crap inside your bearings. Still shows the cutout. And then the white actually complements the rest of the bike quite well. Thunderbolt. I guess that's everything for this bike. Oh, I guess I could do a hub check for those who don't know how the Odyssey V3 hub sounds. There you go. That's my Eastern Grim Reaper. Peace, YouTube.